All right, guys, this is Emmett again, the Alpha Builders. Let me talk about something here, guys. Right behind me is what I would call you see this drop right here? See, y'all can see this right here. Yeah, so this right here is a lot right here, guys. So this is a lot of the neighborhood. And they're actually selling these lots, guys. This is almost like it used to be, man. The developer go out and develop some stuff, man, and he sell a few lots. And this right here is what we call a dog lot, man. This is not a lot. This wouldn't be my first choice, man. It drops too quick. Got a lot of water moving back here, man. It's gonna be moving pretty fast. This won't be my first pick if I had other lots to pick from. But in this market that we're in now, guys, you got to get what you can get. Chances are, see, things are not like they used to be, guys. The big boys, the big production builders that came in, they bought all the land up and they developed everything themselves. Back in the day, it wasn't like that, man. You have a developer that'll come in, he'll develop the land, he'll pick a couple of builders come in there and they do a lot draw and they'll buy certain lots in that neighborhood and they'll build them all out. Some of the lots will be good, some of the lots will be bad. But today, with the way things are today, guys, if you're a builder, especially if you're a custom builder, you kind of build a few here and a few there, guys, you got to take advantage of dog lots. You got to be so savvy and understand your game as a builder to the point where a dog lot, yeah, it's gonna be a challenge, but guys, you got to be able to make the best of it. You're not gonna, guys, I'm gonna tell you something. In today's market, you're just not gonna find lots, especially in our area. I'm in the Birmingham area, the greater Birmingham area, guys, and it's very hilly here. You're not gonna find lots today that are just flat and perfect. And if you do find those, the big boys already took it. So as a builder, you gotta go find the dogs. And you gotta take them dogs and try to figure out a way to, well, you ain't gonna ever turn it into a thoroughbred, but at least you can have a decent horse to ride on. And this is what you're gonna have to do, man. You're gonna have to, and here's the thing, guys. You have to be savvy and you have to understand your game as a builder. You gotta understand setbacks. You gotta understand the zoning ordinance. And especially if you got a lot, man, like corner lots, you gotta understand how that works with the municipality. Guys, you got to understand, if you're on a septic tank, you got to understand that too. And I knew somebody would call, guys. You guys have a good day.